Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another Boomy How To. This is going to be part two of our Okta as an IDP for JWT video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the actual JWT authentication source within Boomy. Before we do that, though, we are going to need a couple more things from Okta. Um, we're going to need to access the well-known OpenID configuration page to grab the um, issuer URL, authorization endpoint URL, and then the token endpoint URL. We're going to need that later for the actual token generation. But to actually access this endpoint, it's going to be your issuer URL, which should be this, your Okta your base URL while you're accessing the Okta developer site. OAuth to default slash well-known OpenID slash configuration. I'll just copy this and paste that here. I'll do it on another page actually. Access that. And here we can get all the well-known configuration or the OpenID configuration for that actual application. So this is going to be the issuer. We're going to want to copy that. We are going to want the authorization endpoint URL as well. So we'll just copy that. And we are going to want the token endpoint. So we'll copy that as well. All right. Once we have those three pieces of information, we should be good for the actual AtomSphere part. So within AtomSphere, if we just want to go to services, API management, we're already here, so it's probably not going to navigate us there. We're going to go to authentication. From here, we're going to add a new authentication source. I'm going to name it JWT boom demo video. And then for the identity provider type, it's going to be JWT authentication. Click OK. The only thing we need to worry about here for now is the actual identity provider URL. This is going to be the issuer URL we got from the OpenID configuration page. So for wherever you took note of that in your Notepad application or whatever you used, we're just going to copy that and paste it. Then we can test the URL and see that it actually works. And then we're going to save it. All right. And just like that, the Boomy side of the authentication is done. The final part is actually going to be making the call to our API. In that video, I'll show you how to do that with Postman. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.